First time using the ICOM IC-705. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. A couple of Saturdays ago, we had some ideal weather, so I decided it was time to bust out the brand new ICOM IC-705 and hook it up and make some QSOs. So without any further ado, let's roll this clip in its entirety. CQ, Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar. CQ, this is Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar. November Alpha 2 uniform, this is Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar. This is Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar, out of Florida. Reading you a 5-7, a 5-7. Seven threes and good luck.
Ontario. November 6th, Ontario. Is that Roger? Roger, Roger. This is Charlie, over. Bill, Bravo India, Lima, Lima, in California. I have extra call time. Absolutely. My call, Tango, Italy, 5, Charlie, Delta, Alpha, QSL. Thanks, Charlie, 73. Thanks, QRZ. I think it's November 4, Ontario X-ray. This is Charlie. Have a good one, JTI 5, Charlie, Delta, Alpha, North America, QSL party. Whiskey 9, Lima, Yankee. QSL, John in Indiana. This is Charlie. Thank you. Charlie Delta Alpha.
Kilo Whiskey 4 Quebec Oscar in Florida, QSO.
Mike Alpha Yankee, this is Charlie. Tango Italy 5, Charlie Delta Alpha. Victor Echo 9, Charlie 414 again. Whiskey 2 Papa India Romeo. Whiskey 2 Papa India Romeo, this is Charlie. Hello Charlie, you're 5-7 into Southern California, name here is Paul. Papa Alpha, Uniform Nina. QSO Paul, thanks. This is Tango Italy 5, Charlie Alpha,
Okay, as you can see, I did have some success with the ICOM IC-705. Just want to let you know, as far as I spent most of my time, I spent a little bit of time out on 17 meters, but it seemed that 15 meters was very active that day. So that's where I focused my energy and efforts and made some pretty good contacts, as you heard. Item of note right away, I used my DJI action cam to record all of this, and this was impromptu. I wasn't even meaning to do a video on it, but it came out really well. The one thing that I do apologize for was the audio quality, and I realized afterwards the IC-705 has an SD card in there, and that I could have used that to go ahead and record the audio from that. Just want to let you know what my setup was, and here's a picture of it. And again, this wasn't intended. I just took a screen grab from my DJI Osmo Action here. It's a Bioenno BLF 1203W battery, 12 volts, 3 amp hours. I also use a West Mountain Radio Rigrunner. The model number is 4008PN. I use PowerPole cables. And the antenna I use a Chameleon MPAS 2.0, the full vertical antenna was up in the backyard. And also, and it's not pictured like the antenna, is an MAT-705 tuner. Now, I am going to be doing videos on the Rigrunner and on the tuner. I've already done one on the antenna, so stay tuned for all of those as well. All in all, it was a great experience. I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to getting more time to be able to get back on the 705. It is a very versatile radio. I'm also look forward to some videos on the 705 as far as power options are concerned. Again, I use the Bioenno here. I'm also going to try just using the battery pack on the 705 itself, which only, of course, is 5 watts. With the Bioenno, I was able to get 10 watts on it. And I'm also going to try, there are some OmniBank external portable battery packs. I'm going to be purchasing one and trying that as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Question of the day: what did you think of my first time with the ICOM IC-705? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 threes, everyone.